Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami flower. This flower can be used as a wall decoration. So you're going to start off with a square piece of paper and you're going to cut it out into 5 equal parts. Now that you have your 5 strips, you're going to take each one of them and you're going to line them up on top of each other. And you're going to take them and you're going to fold them in half. And now you're going to open it back up to here and you're going to grab a stapler and you're going to staple right in the center. So I'm going to put it in, make sure you line it up in the center, and then you will squeeze your stapler like so. Now it will look like this, and you will fold it again in half to make sure it's very well creased, and then you fold it back in this direction. And now we're gonna start making some petals. So to make a petal, it's pretty simple. You take one of these flaps and you fold it in like this, and you have one petal. Now, just to make sure this petal stays this way, you get some glue and you glue this edge. So I will take my glue, put some of it on this little edge, and then I will put it in and I will fold. Now I can decide how much of it I want to glue. Do I want it squeezed or do I want it open? So for this, I just did this one a bit more open. And next you're going to take this petal and you're going to fold it this. So you have now 2 petals. So we're going to take this and we're going to glue it. Now you have 2 petals. So you're going to do that with all the petals. So I'm here right now, and for this one, where I have like this side left and one last petal, what am I going to do? I'm going to put some glue on here. So let me do that. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to make it touch the other side, so you can see kind of how it forms. And I can easily do it with all the other petals. Like, so when you come to this last petal that you have, it'll just easily glue on here. So that's how it will go. So here I am at my last petal, and just like I told you, I will put some glue on this part, and I will take it and I will put it in right here. Now my flower will be ready, except there's one last thing to do with this flower. We need to give it a base. So if you want to put it on the wall, you can easily tape it or however we want to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to get 2 cutouts of black circles, and you're going to take one of the cutouts and you will glue it with glue, and you will put it on. And now you will flip this side and you will do the same. Now for your very last step, you're going to shape it a little bit so it looks like a flower, and you will now take some sort of gem and you will put it on your flower. Now your flower is ready. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and here are your flowers. Hope you liked this video, and you can use these flowers for decorating walls and for birthday parties. So I hope you enjoyed my video.